Morning. Let's work on the fence some more. You can look at the weld through the phone. Or can we? Yeah, that's how you watch people weld. You gotta pull out your phone. Yeah, right up against it. Yeah. We got new gloves on Aden's birthday. We went shopping. He's 15. He's old. Honestly, not that bright. It's honestly not that bright.
You say you're not that bright?
Yeah, that's what I heard. Not that bright.
Yeah, I'm a welder.
See, I'm holding the camera at my chest right now, guys. This is actually how tall I am. I got the new camera in the mailbox. Maybe we'll get that. We'll get the new camera. We'll get it out here.
I already ate.
Well, I haven't ate. He had basketball practice this morning. See how it goes. If not, it's going back. If it's not good, it'll be good. It'll be fine. Level right there. And then they're gonna weld. Oh, they're gonna weld 2 plates. So here's the plate. Like that, and then they weld it together. Landon's gonna do the welding. He's just getting it started now, so nothing like super deep, so then it doesn't move. Now he is gonna weld all the, he's gonna weld on this side too. Well, we'll see how this thing does. I don't have a special microphone hooked up or anything. Yeah. I also don't have where it's falling in my face. I just want it to stay level at the moment. We'll see how the audio is, but it should be a lot more stable than my GoPros. That's for sure. Yeah. A little bit different to look into. So before I head home, I want to show you the fence that we finished up. Jared had to head off pretty early to go to one of his kids' ball games. But yeah, we got this all finished up here. Wonder how good this camera's doing right at the moment. But yeah, we got this fence put up here. Right here in the corner, kind of round it off. So what we do is we run the cows from over there around the corner in this gate and then kind of into this pen when we're sorting. And we'll sort them in here, and the cows will go back right out into the pasture, and then we'll sort the calves into here, into this pen. So yeah, it's kind of nice having that side right there kind of curled off. But yeah, we got this whole side. Let me look at the camera more. This whole side all done. Got this gate hung. Got that panel put. That's where we started. We started with that panel and then went to that gate. We also hung this panel, or this gate too. So this is another gate. But yeah, looks pretty good. Now we're not done yet. We still have to work on the chute over here. Or the chutes, plural. I don't need to redo that. Let's leave it open. But yeah, still got to do this right here. There'll be a panel that runs from that post to this post. Oh my gosh. You guys see it? See how good the camera is if you can see him. I think I can zoom in too. Oh, that's as far as I can zoom in. He's a bunny. He's kind of chilling out. I wonder how close I can get before he runs off. There he goes. But yeah. So there's going to be a panel right here. Then there's going to be a gate on this post. And another gate. So this is where the trailer is going to back up. And then right at the end of this tunnel right here, we're going to run cows down here, and it'll be the cattle squeeze for the vet and all that sort of stuff. And then once they come out of the squeeze, we'll either have a extra panel to run them right back down here into this corner, into that gate, or we might panel it out where we can put them back into the big calf lot. We'll see. We're getting there though. We got quite a bit done today, especially from when we started. We moved the dozer this morning and did some odd stuffs and checked on some beans. We might do a little bit of spotting in beans. We'll see. But yeah, got quite a bit done since we started probably around noon. So, pretty good day. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, subscribe if you're new around here, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. There's Dad. He's spot spraying some of the corn. Better turn it off. Mom's not gonna be very happy. Haha, he got it. Yeah, he's spot spraying some of the corn before he switches over to beans. He's already got all the corn sprayed. Just hitting a few spots here on the main farm. Yeah. I like how that thing folds. It's got auto fold, and it folds the wings back instead of up and over. So you really don't have to worry about telephone lines or anything because of the way it folds. And a big shout out to all our shout out crew members for them supporting this channel. If you want to support this channel and become a member, check it out in the link in the description below.